Tanuja, you can start. So we idea about the differential equations. Now, in the first exercise, we need to think about the degree and order of a differential equation. Like see, a function is given fx or y. This is the function given to us. We can differentiate it. On differentiation, we will be getting f dash x or dy on dx or y dash or y1. These all are representing first order derivative. First order derivative is this. Now, for the second order derivative, if we are going, it will be f double dash x or d2y on dx square or y double dash or y2. This will be the second order derivative. There could be third order derivative also. That is not much in our syllabus, but still I'm giving you introduction. d3y on dx cube or y triple dash or y3. These all are the different orders of derivative. This is first order derivative. It is and now is the third order. So we have got idea about first order derivative, second order derivative and third order derivatives in a particular question. Now next is, this is order of the differential equation. With this we will be able to predict about the order of differential equation. Now we are going for the degree of the differential equation. So what is the meaning of degree? Like in a question, we have been given any particular equation, and for that we are going to calculate the degree. So degree can be said as the highest power. Degree can be said as the highest power in the given differential equation. The clear words will be the power to the highest order is known as degree of differential equation. Power to the highest order. Power to the highest order is known as degree. Power to the highest order is known as degree. So now one example I'm showing you. Like one example I'm giving you, d2y on dx square to whole power 3 plus dy on dx to whole power 4 plus y to power 5 equals to 0. So in this particular case, its degree is power to the highest order. Power to the highest order. This is the highest order. its power is 3. So I could say the degree of this differential equation is 3. Degree of this differential equation is 3. So I suppose you are able to understand. Now with some examples, we are going to calculate order and degree for the differential equation. First case I'm taking 5x dy on dx to whole power 2 minus d2y on dx square minus 6y equals to log x. Now its order, degree. The order of this differential equation, is 2 because it is highest number of times differentiated is 2. And degree is its power. So it is not having any power. So power will be 1. So its degree is 1 and order is 2. We need to see only the case in which the differential equation has maximum number of times derivative, mean order is higher. That only we need to consider. Rest, we need not to think about other things. Now the question which I'm taking, this has come in the board examination 2013. X cube d2y on dx square whole power 3 plus x dy on dx to whole power 4 equals to 0. Now see, highest number of times differentiated is this. So order is 2 and degree, its power. So its power is 3. Again, we have got idea about order and degree of a differential equation. In this case, order of this differential equation is 2 and degree of this differential equation is 3. So we are able to think. One more example I'm taking. It is second derivative 5x times first derivative to whole power 2 minus 6 times the function equals to log x. Idea is also now in this case, what is the order and degree? So order is equals to 2 degree, its power. So it is not having any power, that means 1. So order 2, degree 1 in this case. Now a case is there which we need to think. This is the situation, like a question is given. I must take the example. Y double dash plus sine y dash equals to 0. Now its order will be in this case 2 and degree. Keep in mind, hope you have never seen the situation like any question is given sine y. The differentiation of this will be sine y ka derivative will be cos y, then y will be y dash or dy upon dx. This is separate and this one is separate. We never do y differentiation of the function which is with y, means angle like. So that we are never differentiating, argument we are never differentiating in with the function. That is, separately we used to differentiate. So this is not possible. This situation is not possible. So when this situation is not possible, that means the degree of this particular differential equation will be not defined. This degree will be not defined. I suppose we are able to understand the situation degree not defined. When ever the function, it is not always that we are talking about trigonometric function. If log y dash is given, or e to power y dash or dy upon dx, I could write. These all are the cases. These all are the cases. 3 cases I have shown you. Third is this. Okay, I'm writing over here also. Cos dy on dx. These are the 3 cases for degree not defined. These are the situations of degree not defined. In this, we cannot say anything about the degree of the difference. Yes, now we are taking one more example to make you understand little more better. This is the question. d5y on dx5 plus y cube is equals to e to power dy on dx. Now order degree is 5. Degree is, we cannot do this, so it is degree is not defined. 1 mark questions usually come from this topic. Usually I have seen this question in the board examination for 1 mark only, but it comes. So please practice it nicely, revise it, then only you will be able to think about it. It's a good and easy question. First exercise now you will be able to do. Now next is making the differential equation. This is very easy thing I'm teaching you, and this will be the last topic, means whatever number of questions we are going to take, but this will be the last topic for the day. It won't be tough, but let us see. Like a question is given to us. This question is y equals to a upon x plus a on x plus a. Words, what they are writing, show that this is a solution of the differential equation. Its solution is given to us that we need to show. So let me write that also for you. X, y, 1 plus y equals to y square. This was the result, means on differentiating, we need to convert this into this part. So let us try. I could write y x plus a equals to a. Now differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Over here we will be applying product rule. First function, differentiation of second. Okay, let me write first question. So little extra words. X plus a differentiation of y ddx of y equals to ddx of constant, that will be 0. So it will be y, differentiation of x will be 1 and differentiation of constant will be 0 plus x plus a y 1. So we have got y plus x plus a y1 equals to 0. Now the answer what I am able to see is not same as per my requirement. So what I could do, I could calculate the value of y and that I can put into the situation. So the value of y(a) will be y upon y1 with negative sign. This I've taken on other side will be negative y minus x equals to a. This will be the value of a. Now this value of a I can put into the given situation. Given situation means in this I'm going to put the values of a. So next page only I can put okay over here I'm doing with the other color. So y equals to a means minus y upon y dash minus x upon minus y upon y dash minus x plus x. X to x cancel. Minus to minus will get cancelled. So y equals to y upon y dash minus x upon y dash. Y square upon y dash equals to y upon y dash plus x. Now multiplying by